Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Kolkata on Saturday afternoon where he was supposed to give address on the Parakram Divas celebration to commemorate the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose would have been proud of the way India is helping other countries during the coronavirus pandemic, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Saturday in Kolkata as he raised West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to honor the independence movement icon on his 124th birth anniversary. As he raised West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to honor the independence movement icon on his 125th birth anniversary. The PM and the Chief Minister made a rare joint appearance at the city's Victoria Memorial to launch an exhibition to honor Netaji. CM Banerjee earlier held a massive rally in the city to mark the occasion. The optics of both events are significant as elections to Bengal Assembly is just months away. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Saturday refused to speak during the 125th birth anniversary celebration of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose after a section of audience raised Jai Shri Ram slogans at Victoria Memorial Hall, saying that she felt insulted. Banerjee refused to speak at the event after slogans raised were against her in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She said, "I am honored to be invited here by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the central government. But this is not the way to welcome your guest, and that too in a government event. This is not a political event and you must maintain the sanctity of Netaji's birth anniversary event," she said, being visibly angry. She further said that "I am not going to deliver my speech except saying Jai Hind and Jai Bangla." After Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro expressed his gratitude towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi for exporting the COVID-19 vaccine, Director General of World Health Organization Tedros thanked India for its continuous support to global COVID-19 response. India shipped the first consignment of Oxford and AstraZeneca's Covishield vaccine, which is being developed by the Serum Institute of India, to Brazil and Morocco on Friday. Several countries across the world have requested for the jab, which is being exported by India. The condition of Rashtriya Janata Dal chief Lalu Prasad Yadav stabilized hours after deteriorating on Saturday. The Medical Board of the Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, Ranchi, has advised that the veteran leader should be shifted to AIIMS Delhi immediately for treatment. Lalu Prasad Yadav is currently undergoing treatment for a lung infection in Ranchi, where he is serving a sentence after being convicted in the Bihar fodder scam case. Preparations for his transfer to Delhi began as soon as the hospital got a go-ahead from the jail officials. Russian police detained dozens of protesters on Saturday as thousands of supporters of jailed Kremlin critic Alexei Navalny took to the streets following his call to protest against President Vladimir Putin's rule. Putin's most charismatic critic urged mass rallies after surviving a near-fatal poisoning and returning to Moscow last weekend following months of treatment in Germany. He was arrested at the airport and jailed.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.